This fence here, we had the same the other side, and they've renewed the other side, and then they decided this fencing went all the way to the floor, and they decided as animals couldn't get from one side to the other because of this fence going to the floor. So they sent someone to cut the bottom 2 rows of fencing off so the animals could get through. And look how they've done it. Animals running under there in the dark, or even during the day if they've been chased. Foxes, badgers, they're like scalpels. Even dogs come out. Even dogs try and get under there, and it's the same all the way along. These people have actually been paid to do that. It's absolutely unbelievable. They must be brain dead. Look, all the way along, running at speed. They've no chance. There you are, I've had my moan. It's just that the authorities that be are just unbelievable. Auf Wiedersehen.